Hi, I'm Jaren, your travel agent ma'am, and we're back with another video. So today, pag-usapan naman natin yung biggest mistakes people make when booking trips. Believe me, as a travel agent and a mom, halos nakita ko na lahat. So para iwas stress kayo sa next travel nyo, ito yung mga dapat nyong iwasan. Number 1 is booking too early or too late. Marami kasi nag-aakala na yung last minute is the cheapest. Hindi po. Kasi usually, the nearer the date, mas mahal po talaga yan. On the other hand, kung sobra naman aga yung pag-book nyo, minsan hindi pa yun yung best price. So, ang safe window is between 2 to 4 months before your target travel date. Number 2, not checking your passport and visa requirements. One of the common mistakes ng mga traveler is hindi chine-check yung validity ng passport nila. So, dapat at least 6 months valid pa po yung passport natin from the date of your departure and return. Or minsan, hindi naman nila alam na kailangan pala ng visa dun sa country na yon, or alam naman pala nila pero hindi nila napaprocess agad yung visa. So, ang ending, panic days before the flight. Number 3 is overpacking the itinerary. Trust me, you'll end up exhausted. Tapos, hindi mo pa talaga ma-enjoy. Lalo na if you are traveling with kids, dapat talaga may rest time. Number 4 is only looking at the price, not the value. Gets ko naman yung gusto talaga natin lahat. Syempre, yung maka-avail ng promo or yung mura. Pero meron kasing mga hotel, for example, mura siya pero walang breakfast, hindi kasama yung airport transfer, hindi rin maganda yung location. So, when booking, always consider the total value. Not just the lowest price. Sometimes mas okay to spend more for convenience and peace of mind. Number 5 is not booking through a trusted source or trusted travel agency. Some travelers go for random and sketchy travel deals, aminin nyo, because the deals looks too good to be true. And sometimes it is. Kaka-compare sa mga iba-ibang agency. Syempre nakita mo siya mura, pero ang ending scam pala. So always book through trusted platforms or trusted agency like I2Yume Travel and Tours. Last but not the least is not asking for any professional help. Minsan, ito yung big mistake natin. You're thinking that you have to do it alone. Travel agency like I2Yume Travel and Tours can save you time, money, and stress. Know the tricks, deals, and the pitfalls to avoid. So there you go, the top 6 biggest mistakes and how to avoid them. Sabi nga nila, travel smarter, not harder. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe, and follow. Let me know in the comments what's the biggest mistake na nagawa mo nung nag-book ka ng trip. So again, this is Jaren, your travel agent mom, and see you on our next one. Bye!